Today we're going to be talking about a new way to identify your cattle. These are called brisket tags. Stay tuned today and we're going to be talking about these and showing you how to install them. So stay tuned if you want to learn more. Alright, so these are brisket tags. These specific ones come from a company called Box. They basically hang from the D-lap, hang from the brisket area on a cow. You will slide this end up through the tag and it will sit in the cow. Basically, it takes the place of an ear tag. It's supposed to not pull out near as easy as an ear tag. It's supposed to be pretty hardy. It's made out of like a hard rubberized material. We've done some last year on this herd, and we added some more this year, and so far they've worked out pretty good. So wipe it off a little bit, antiseptic. You want 27 on her, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. And we'll use this hole punch. You go about the lowest third of the brisket. You slide your hole punch up about an inch onto the brisket. You punch through. And you slide your little wire through the opening. Slide that up on there. Leave just a little bit sticking down, and you take this fancy bolt, it's got a hole in the end of it, and you bend the ends down. Kind of just bend them out on each side, and that'll cinch this down, kind of tightens itself up that way. Always put a little bit of fly spray on afterwards. And there it is. I'm gonna tighten this up just a little more. There she is. So when you go to order these tags from Box, they come with just the tags and the little wire piece that attach the tags to the D-lap. You have to buy the hole punch separate, and I would recommend buying the extra blades that goes in that hole punch, because they do dull out after about 10-15 cows. Buy the separate bolt that has a hole in it to help cinch it down. You could use wire pliers, but that bolt, it just gives a whole lot more leverage, and it's a lot easier to do that way. put some nose tongues in that nose and pull their head to the side, just that way they don't get in a bind and flip their nose and break your nose or black your eye. I've seen it happen before. Just tie it off up high, get their head out of the way. You want 28, right? Mm. That'll work. Here's your fly spray. These brisket tags seem to be pretty straightforward to install, and they do seem to last a while. If you like the vet-related content, please like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching.